Hi class, I just wanted to do a quick overview of the library system here at UNL for those of you using it. If you are searching for a book or topic or journal, you can use this quick search button. I will tell you that if I am looking for a book, I most often like to use this classic catalog option. You can click on that and then you can enter in the title, author, or often I like to use the ISBN. Sometimes you can find the ISBN number is assigned to every book. So say, for example, you were looking for your book, Communicating in the Workplace on Amazon. So let's go to Amazon, and then let's do a search for Communicating at Work by Adler. Okay, there are a few different editions. You can look at what date it was published. So this one was from 2009. This one is here from 2018. So let's click on that one because it's the most recent. And you'll see here the ISBN is listed, and then you can just simply copy it. For some other books, they are listed below. So let's say, for example, you were looking at leadership experience. Either the ISBN will be here, or you can scroll down to learn about the product details, and it will talk about who's the publisher, what the ISBN number is. I like the ones that start with 978, and then you can find some more information. So then if you're searching, you can copy and paste this ISBN number here and click submit and find out if the library has it. So here we know that the library does not have it. By searching for ISBN, if you absolutely know the book you're looking for, this is the most useful. If, for example, you were more interested in general workplace communication, you can do a search by keyword here, click submit, and see what comes up. Some people are doing things about workplace drama. So this is a digital book that allows you to look at this. So you can check out the website. It will take you to learning more about it. You can also start reading for these online websites by using your email address. And let's see, let's click the back button here. And there we go. Some other things that might be of use to you. So if you know the book isn't available, so like we discovered using the Classic Catalog, you can go through InterLibrary Loan. And we're on the Classic Catalog site, so you can click that under additional resources. On the main library website, if you go to these drop-down menus, you're going to look for the one that is called okay, it might not be called InterLibrary Loan. See, it's called Library and InterLibrary Loan here. So you click on that, and it will take you to this additional web page. You can bookmark this site. I will say I use this website all the time to get books and articles delivered. By delivery, they mean they'll hold it at the library desk for you if you need a hard copy. So if you're looking for the book, you may need to create an account. You can do so by clicking here. This is separate from your UNL account, though you may choose to use your UNL login and ID. But my password is not my Canvas password. It is different. So then you'll click login, and you can see some other books I've requested that are at the library waiting for me. Now, if you're looking for a book, I would go over to New Request, click Book. And then a great easy way, if I don't want to fill in all these blanks, is to enter in the ISBN, do a little Control-V to paste the ISBN I'm looking for, click Search, and then here you go. It fills in our title, our authors, that is who we're looking for, but one remaining required field because of this asterisk is remaining. We know that it's published in 2018, and then we can click Submit Request. Once you submit request, it will put a request into the library, and you will receive a notification when it comes in. Now, some things to look at here are, this will say if it is held by UNL libraries, they'll hold it at the front desk for you, so you can go pick it up when you get notice that they have it. If it's not available at the library, like these, then you can actually just click on, you'll see that it's at other libraries, so all you have to do is wait for it to be delivered to the library, and they will email you when it comes in. They're saying this should be here in about a week. So if you request it, just know that it will be a little while before you get it. It will come through the mail to you. To submit a request, you'll just click submit. Sometimes it can take longer. It often comes from other Big Ten universities or other University of Nebraska universities. Usually I just have a maximum cost of $0. They don't want to pay for it. And there's no charge to use this interlibrary loan system. If, for example, you needed them to make copies or purchase the book, there could be a fee. But usually if you just put in $0 for maximum request, if you'll accept an electronic version, all these are pretty default. But you have some options there. So then you would just click submit request. And then when you looked at your outstanding requests, it would say which ones, a list of the books that you have requested in the past and what those are. So that's it for interlibrary loan. Usually each book or article you request can take a while to come in. The journal articles, you'll have to do a little more typing in the volume and month and year. But if you're requesting a journal article, you'll just be looking for one that UNL doesn't carry or that you couldn't find on Google Scholar, but you know, for example, you find an article, you know you want it, but UNL doesn't carry the actual journal, they can get a copy for you and email it to your email address. You'll actually get an electronic copy of that. So that is very useful to you. So do keep in mind that you can just bookmark this ILLiad or interlibrary loan site for your reference. So I hope that is helpful to you when you're thinking about using UNL's library system and some quick references. You'll also find on this site other places where you can research, ask for help, ask them questions. I find the staff in the library are more than willing to help you find things, so pull articles for you. There's also the online tutorials and how-to guides that are useful. So those are always open to you if you have any questions. So best of luck to you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you.